Hello, welcome to this lesson titled Arrays. We learned in earlier episodes that arrays are special variables that can hold more than one value and even different data types at a time. They are very important in PHP and programming as a whole. Imagine if we want to make a list of fruits and we have tens of hundreds of them. Then we will have to create a lot of variables for this. For instance, I have fruit 1 and I'll give this a value of let's use orange. So that's the first fruit, and I'll create the second one and I'll give this a value of banana and make this fruit 2, and the list goes on and on if I want to have different fruits. But with arrays we have a better way of storing them. The syntax for doing this is: first we declare the variable name to store the fruits, and then type the array keyword and add brackets or parentheses. So let's have a variable name of fruits equals the array keyword, parentheses, just like this. Now we can add data. They need to be separated by commas. Let's put in 3 fruits for now. So I have orange. These are strings, so wrap them in quotes. Grapes. Good. You can see this is much better. With this, we have an array variable of fruit holding 3 fruit types. There is another way to write arrays called the short array syntax, and we do this by wrapping it in square brackets. So I'll write fruits 2 and then our square brackets instead of parentheses this time, like the one we did above. And apple, we have guava, and let's add one more fruit, mango. So this is similar or resembles what you might see in other programming language. So most developers usually go for this one for consistency's sake. One more important thing to note about arrays are they work with indexes or positions which start at 0. This means counting the items or elements in the array, we have 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, both are array examples. But when counting, we start from 0 position or index. So it goes like this: 0, 1, 2. Let's give an example. Let's say we want to print the first fruit or element. This is how we'll print it out. So echo. Let's use the fruits2 variable. And then square bracket. And we want to print apple. So we need to write 0. Let's put a semicolon and test this out. I'll save this, reload the page. So you can see we have apple. Likewise, if we change this to 2, you can guess this will print out the last element, which is mango. What if we want to print out the entire array content? We need to use the built-in printr function. Comment this and then echo. Printr, not echo. Since we need to print out everything in the array, not a single element. So then in brackets or parentheses, we type the array name. Let's use the first one, fruits, and save this. I forgot my $sign, else the program will run. So if I reload, it's clearly displaying that it's an array element. The first index or the 0 index has a value of orange, which is this right here. The second or index 1 has the value of grapes, and the last index, which is 2, has a value of banana. Alright, let's check out the other types of array that we have in the next lesson.